Hey y'all, it's Rosie here, Rosie's Garage. So this one isn't about motorcycles so much, but it's about what happens to every single one of us as we get a little bit older. It turns out that leather jackets and jackets in general shrink over time. Okay, maybe they didn't shrink, but this is my favorite jacket. I really like this jacket. It's an FXRG something, and it's super nice, and I got my stuff sewn on it, and I'm like, but man, it is, I don't know what happened, but it got a little bit tight here, and wearing this, putting a sweatshirt on and everything else, it's really, it's too tight, it's not comfortable. So I've been reading on the internet and watching on some YouTube videos, and no one really seems to have an answer for how to really get a leather jacket fixed. But I've kind of put it all together, and it looks like if I put some softener on here, I'm going to treat the leather. I'm going to actually, first I'm going to soak it in water. And I mean put it in a bathtub full of some warm water, not cold, not hot, just going to get it some warm water. And I'm going to bundle up underneath, wear it for a couple of hours, and hopefully that's going to stretch this tight back and the tight arms out just enough to keep this comfortable. Keep me for, this is a $500 jacket, and I don't want to lose it. Anyway, I'm going to go try it out, put it in the bathtub, and I'll come back out and show you what it looks like with me trying to wear it like it. So here we are. It's been about 15 minutes. I had it soaking in the bathtub for about 10 minutes in some lukewarm water. I put on a sweatshirt and a jacket. Hopefully that'll keep me from getting soaked underneath. And I just thought it might be funny to watch me try to get this thing on soaking wet. So I've got the jacket on, which is actually a little easier than I thought it would be. I'm going to make sure I have these all zipped up underneath. And I'm going to squish this guy on there as well. I also closed all the vents because they do give the jacket give a little give. I'm going to zip this thing up, zip up the arms, take off the hoodie there. And what I'm going to do is for the next couple of hours, I'm going to be wandering around doing stuff, bending, stretching, and hopefully, oh my goodness, I'll break this jacket in a little bit better than it has been. And you know, I just didn't know that leather shrank. Let me tell you, I am dressed up like I am preparing for a 12 degree below. I'm wearing 2 sweatshirts, long sleeve. I look a little silly here, but I'm trying. What I did, by the way, in between steps, I'm just walking around my property. I'm out with the dog. I'm supposed to be active for a couple hours, I think, just moving around. What I did, next step is I actually soaked it down with I dried off the jacket, you know, outside, and then soaked it down with leather conditioner, and soaked it. I mean, I used half a bottle of leather conditioner. But it took a while to do that because I had to mop it all up. You don't want to leave all that stuff so it looks all shiny. Anyway, just thought I'd tell you, it looks weird walking around with this thing. I am wearing 4 layers underneath this thing to try to stretch it out. So, be back to you soon. Okay, so I've been wearing the jacket for about an hour and 15 minutes, and I just couldn't take it anymore. It was so hard to move with all those layers on and trying to wear this thing. So what I did is I stuffed this as full as I could possibly stuff it. I have some clothes in a donation pile. And I was like, you know what? They're not getting used right now, so I just have clothes and blankets and everything stuffed in this as much as I could possibly put in it for you. Have them sit there with a little lucky rabbit on top. And we'll see how it goes in a couple days. Talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, so here we are a few months later. I actually forgot I had started this video, so thanks for sticking with me. Well, I guess it just happened now. Anyway, I do want to say it was a huge success. The jacket fits great now. I'm going to zip it up. The vents are closed. You can see this pocket's open, but the vents are closed. And what a difference. It is now super comfortable. It's zipped up all the way, and if you remember from the first one, if you take a look at this picture here, versus now, say, look at this, all this room I've got now. I'm not sucking in my gut, I'm not doing anything, and I haven't lost any weight. This jacket fits so much better. This one, that one, what a difference. I'd say it went up a full half size. I'm super stoked. Anyway, I wanted to thank you all for watching Rosie's Garage. Look forward to putting out some more videos for you soon. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Keep the rubber side down. Peace.